Hey guys, I had an awesome idea for today's video. I thought to myself, why don't we do some niche research specifically geared towards 2025? And I know exactly how to go about doing this. So I'm gonna show you the process. Then I'm gonna, of course, show you as we go the results. We're gonna be looking at 2025 themed print-on-demand products that are already selling. And of course, if they're already selling, that means they can probably look forward to an entire year's worth of sales. So there's no better time to start than yesterday, but the second best time is today. So let's get to it. So for the purposes of today's video, we're gonna be using the Podly Amazon merch research tool. Now, even if you're not on Amazon or Amazon merch, trust me, it's the biggest e-commerce website in the world. You're gonna find the data here valuable for selling on all other platforms, Etsy, eBay, Walmart, and wherever else you sell, Redbubble, Shopify, etc. Now, I wanted to share their Black Friday deal, which is currently live. I will link to it in the description, but let's jump into their massive product database. The bigger the database, the better our research is going to be, or at least the better results it's going to yield, hopefully, right? That's the goal. Let me zoom in a little bit. So what I'm gonna do now is up here in the search bar, well, by default, if we just scroll, it's looking at all the best sellers in order and filtering out the protected brands that we cannot sell. But I'm gonna go to the search term and I'm gonna type 2025 and then I'm gonna hit search. Now there's a few ways to do what I'm aiming to do in this video. Again, looking at 2025 themed products, we can leave it on the default search, which is more of a broad match, okay? And if we look at some of these results, they are pretty well 2025 themed. But if we didn't like the results, I was even thinking we could switch the search modifier down to in title, which I think prefer in this case, because if it's truly optimized for 2025, it should have 2025 most likely in the title. So I'm gonna go ahead and click search, and probably not too much changed, if anything, but I wanted to mention that if you guys do a one-word search, you'll often, if you don't like your results, find better results by just switching the search modifier to in title. That way it's gonna force that word to be in the title, okay? So now let's take a look. We are looking forward to next year. Does this mean it's gonna be like, in 2023 when we did 2024 predictions and I was talking about a crypto bull run, which happened in the first 2 months, and then at the end of the year, I was talking about the eclipse, I was talking about the election, like, I'm just saying, is it gonna be like that or is it gonna be more spread out? I mean, based on what we're seeing here, I think it's more spread out, which is perfectly okay. A lot of these are just what do we call them? Just like end of year evergreens for the following year, I guess we could call them. The first one actually looks like an F1, all the tracks and the circuits, which is actually really cool, but I don't know if I would touch that just because if it's too close to a big brand, probably not worth it. And I know there was an F1 race over the weekend. The next one though, Big Brother loading 2025. Love that. That's such a nice, easy, like every single year you can upload your, whatever the current year is +1. Anybody who's a programmer, right? Current year +1. Big brother, big sister, lil brother, lil sister, etc. I guess lil. Can't really do that, can you? Maybe just the big bro, big sis, right? Leveled up to big bro. Only child crossed out. It says Big Brother established 2025. Looks like a lot of the brother side. Where's the sisters? Promoted to Big Cousin. Okay, so Big Cousin, that's new to me. 2025. Promoted to Grandpa, established 2025. Dad, established 2025. Only child crossed out. Big Sister, finally, 2025. All right, so there's a lot of fun ways to go about designing this. Now, one thing I did notice, and this is where this is not meant to be a design video, but look at how big they make the word big, okay? I'm just saying, if you're watching this video, don't overlook the importance of, again, whatever the expectation is of the customer when they type in Big Brother, or like maybe it's Big Brother 2025 shirt or new Big Brother shirt or Big Brother to be shirt, whatever it is. The expectation in the mind of the customer, they might not know what design they're looking for, but they know the niche, right? It's celebrating the fact that they're no longer, well, maybe they are becoming a brother, I don't know, but it's the big brother aspect, right? So if the word big is really big in all of the best sellers here, then it should probably be in your design as well. That's all I'm really trying to say, right? It's like, take a hint here. class of 2025. So in that case, they made the 2025 the biggest aspect in that design because it's the year that they're graduating. You know, that is, I guess, how they're going to identify, right, as their graduating class. Soon to be mommy, loading 2025. And then they've got the hearts representing the trimesters. That's awesome. Promoted to grandpa 2025. Senior mom, class of 2025. There you go. Class of 2025 senior. Senior mom, class of 2025, class of 2025 mom, promoted to grandpa 2025, class of 2025 senior, grandpa 2025 loading, the senior 2025 with that like 60s, 70s retro style font, promoted to grandma, established 2025, our final chapter, seniors, season 2, episode 25. So it's like 2025 there. But again, it's in like the design, the way they did the Friends TV show kind of logo. So I would definitely not do it that way. Retirement, class of 2025, countdown in progress. But the word retirement, think about that. A lot of people are going to retire in 2025. Now, we're currently looking at 2025 indexed products in Amazon's catalog. We're looking at them sorted by BSR, so it's based on what's already sold. I'm only sharing this because while we know the retirement shirts every year predictably are very popular, how many people are buying a 2025 retirement t-shirt right now in November? It doesn't mean we shouldn't be listing them and getting out ahead of that trend, but all I'm saying is we might have to scroll pretty far to find the very few that have sold to people that are already, you know, planning their retirement party. Maybe if it's like January 2025, right? So promoted to big brother, promoted to grandma, senior, class 2025, senior, dad, established 2025, uncle, established 2025. Don't forget the uncles as well, which means also don't forget the aunts. Soon to be daddy, established 2025, class of 2025, hashtag done. It says aw ship. It's a 2025 family trip. Okay. Hey, I love the niches where it's groups, you know what I mean? Or families. Families are groups, right? If there is a 2025 family trip shirt that's trending, and I've sold in this niche, obviously, more times than not, you're going to see multiple sales take place to the same customer. So I love those niches because, hey, it pays just the same, except instead of getting your one royalty, you're getting, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bigger the family, the better, right? Soon to be grandma. Happy New Year 2025. All right, the New Year shirts also selling. That has a BSR of 476,000. And just to see, I want to know when this person uploaded the Happy New Year shirt. So I'm going to hover over it and click the information icon. It takes you to a separate page here in Podly. You get more information about the designs. What I'm really looking for is right here, date uploaded. It looks like this was uploaded on October 15th, 2024. So that was only a month ago, but they are already locking in sales. You can even see in the next chart here, the price and BSR history. Every time you see the BSR drop is indicative of a sale or, potentially multiple sales. So that's worth noting there. Why don't we go through a few more? Let's just kind of scroll rapidly and see what we learned. Maybe I'll click this one. There's like a snake. Is it Chinese New Year, year of the snake? I think that is a good one to end on, guys, because don't forget, 2025 starts with the New Year. We just talked about a Happy New Year design. Well, how about the Chinese New Year as well, with the associations with different animals? Each year gets a different, I guess not animal, because what's a dragon? Are they animals too? Isn't there a year of the dragon as well? But anyways, year of the snake is 2025. So there's just a few niches that we were easily able to find in minutes using Podly and their massive product database, and of course information data points that are publicly available on Amazon that they neatly wrap together in Podly into a single screen, a single view for us, so that we can collect them. We can look at the designs, which honestly is probably where most people go wrong, is not making good enough designs or keying in to what customers are really looking for. Beyond that, you can look at the SEO as well. I showed you the advanced views. If you scroll down even further, you get insights into what keywords that those listings are ranked on that are driving sales. So everything you need is included in Podly. I'm gonna link to their Black Friday deal in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Also, let the YouTube algorithm know by hitting that like button. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you soon with another new video.